Welcome, friends, to the latest weather forecast in the United Kingdom according to the latest releases from the ECMWF 9 kilometers numerical observatory. Before we delve into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated. So, during the evening and night of this Saturday, the weather will be mostly cloudy to partly cloudy in most areas of the United Kingdom, except for the southern regions of England, where the weather will be completely stable and the sky will be clear. Scotland, particularly central Scotland, will experience rain due to the influence of a cold front, and some light rain is expected in northern England and the northwestern islands of the kingdom. The rainfall will be more intense in areas marked in green, yellow, orange, and red, with measurements ranging from 15 to 40 millimeters in the following regions: Oban, Inverary, Greenock, Aberfoyle, Glasgow, Armidale, Stirling, Crieff, and Killin. Strong winds at speeds ranging from 50 to 75 kilometers per hour are expected in northern England, northern Wales, and the northwestern islands of the kingdom. As for tomorrow, Sunday, October 8th, the weather will be unstable and rainy in the northern half of Scotland, as well as in the northern islands. This is due to the continued influence of the cold front, with the possibility of the development of a low-pressure system in the northern United Kingdom. The rainfall will range from moderate to heavy in these regions marked in green and yellow, such as Port of Ness, Ardroyle, Stornoway, Tarbert, Scourie, Ullapool, Brora, Lochinver, Gairloch, Alness, Rosehall, Golspie, Kinlochbervie, Kinbrace, Betty Hill, Thurso, Wick, Elgin, Buckie, Turriff, Fraserburgh, and Peterhead. The weather will be stable with partly cloudy skies in the remaining areas. As for the maximum temperatures tomorrow, Sunday, they will be as follows in some regions of the kingdom: 10 degrees in Lerwick, 11 in Thurso, 12 in Port of Ness, 15 degrees in Ballyvanich and Scaronish, 11 degrees in Inverness, 13 in Aberdeen, 17 in Glasgow, 16 degrees in Douglas, 17 in Sunderland, 20 in Liverpool, 19 degrees in Hull, 21 degrees in Birmingham, 16 degrees in St David AES, 19 in Norwich and Plymouth, 22 in Bristol, 23 in London, 18 degrees in Omagh and Belfast, and 19 degrees in Newry. On the next Monday, the weather will be cloudy in Scotland and the northern and northwestern islands of the kingdom, with the possibility of scattered light rain in various parts of these regions, meaning scattered parts of Scotland and the northern and northwestern islands. The weather will be stable with few clouds to sunny in the remaining areas. As for the forecasts for Tuesday, October 10th and Wednesday, October 11th, the weather will be unstable and rainy in most areas of the kingdom due to the influence of an Icelandic low-pressure system accompanied by the influx of cold air from the north. The rainfall will be moderate to light in Scotland and most of the kingdom's islands. It will be weak in Northern Ireland, especially on Tuesday. On Wednesday, the rain will focus on England and Wales, with moderate to heavy and strong rains expected in the regions marked in green, yellow, orange, and red in Wales and central England. These areas will experience heavy rainfall with measurements ranging from 20 to 60 millimeters. On Thursday, October 12th, the weather will stabilize in most areas with a significant drop in temperatures.